Hello and welcome to Dubai. PERCo is participating in the 2024 Intersec exhibition, which is the largest event in the security industry, with over 1,000 of companies showcasing their products here annually. Let's go. Here we present the equipment which is in demand in the Middle East and worldwide, including speed gates, swing gates, tripod and box tripod turnstiles, readers and controllers.
This is ST11 speed gate, and this is the compact design which is made of stainless steel and tempered glass, and the advantage is to fit in any small space you have, so it can fit in a very small space for the installation.
The motorized box tripod turnstile TTD12A is a convenient solution for installing additional equipment like barcode scanner or biometric devices.
The tripod turnstile TTR08A is all-weather design with automatic anti-panic flaps to ensure fast evacuation.
The WMD06 automatic gate allows organizing access for the visitors with limited mobility.
In the UAE, PERCo equipment has been successfully operating for over 15 years. Our equipment is installed in prominent locations, including Dubai Airport, Jebel Ali Port, government agencies like DED and DEVA, Abu Dhabi Beach, Blue Tower, Business Center, and many others. PERCo products are also in demand in other Middle Eastern countries, including Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Oman, and Kuwait. Since 2019, PERCo has had an office and showroom in Dubai. In 2022, we opened a warehouse to have products in stock, enabling swift deliveries to our partners in the region. For more information about our products, we welcome you on our website and social media. Thank you and have a great day.